Dear students, in our previous session we have studied about the elements of novel. Let's see the types of novel. There are a lot of types of novel. They are realistic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, epistolary novel, gothic novel, autobiographical novel, allegorical novel, utopian novel, psychological novel, stream of consciousness novel, and Bildungsroman novel. Let's study about these types. What are these types and what kind of plot they do contain? Let's have the features of each and every type of novel. First, realistic novel. We can call it as a novel of manner. It gives the effect of realism, a type of novel that places a strong emphasis on the truthful representation on the actual fiction. The characters in the realistic novel interact with other characters and undergo plausible and everyday experiences. The examples of realistic novel are Jane Eyre, Wuthering Heights, Pride and Prejudice. When we talk about picaresque novel, the word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means raw. This novel narrates the adventures of the protagonist, who is an eccentric or a disreputable person, in an episodic form. Examples of picaresque novel are The Pickwick Papers, Huckleberry Finn, and obviously Don Quixote. Now let's see historical novel. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of the writing. Example, The Man in the Castle, Outlander, The White Queen.
When we are talking about types of novel, the next is epistolary novel. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistola, which means a letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents. These documents are nothing but letters or diary entries. Next type is Gothic novel. The novels that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural doom, death or decay, or haunted buildings are called the Gothic novels. Examples: Dracula, The Castle of Otranto by Horace Walpole. The next type is autobiographical novel. The autobiographical novel is the novel based on the life of the author. However, the author changes the places and names of characters, or even may change or avoid certain details. It may or may not be in the first person narration. The next type is allegorical novel. An allegory is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning of it. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be political, religious, historical or philosophical. Some of the examples of allegorical novels are Animal Farm or Aesop's Fables. Next type of novel is utopian novel. Utopia is an imaginary community or society possessing the ideal qualities. It is a common literary theme, especially in science fiction or speculative fiction. Republic by Plato, Utopia by Thomas More are the examples of utopian novel. The next type is psychological novel. Psychological novel is the work of fiction that treats the internal life of the protagonist or even the other characters as much as the external factors. Examples: Villette by Charlotte Bronte, The Portrait of Lady. Stream of consciousness novel. Stream of consciousness is a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology in 1890. It means the flow of thoughts. Incidents in the plot are in the sequence of their occurrences. The novelist narrates them as they enter in the mind of character. Ulysses by James Joyce, Virginia Woolf are the examples of stream of consciousness novel. Now we are talking about Bildungsroman novel. The German word Bildungsroman indicates growth. What kind of growth? The fictional biography or autobiography is concerned with the growth of the protagonist's mind, spirit, character from their childhood to adulthood. Examples: Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird. Few more types are there. Some science fictions are there, as well as detective novels are also there. Detective fiction is subgenre of crime fiction and mystery fiction in which an investigator or a detective, either professional or amateur, investigates a crime, often a murder. And when we are talking about science fiction, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein is the best example for that. Dear students, that's all about the novel. We have studied in our 3 sessions, firstly the history of English novel, in second section novella as well as elements of novel, and the last session the types of novel. Thank you.